Hello, friends! Welcome to our fun and educational video. Today, we're going to learn all about a delicious and nutritious fruit, pears. Pears are a type of fruit that come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. They are juicy, sweet, and, oh, so yummy! Let's explore more about pears. There are several types of pears, but the two most common ones are the green pear and the red pear. Can you spot the difference? Green pears are often called Anjou or Bartlett pears, and they are bright green in color. Red pears, on the other hand, are sometimes called red Bartlett or red Anjou pears, and they are a lovely shade of red. Pears can have different shapes, too. Some are round like an apple, while others are more like an oval. They have smooth skin that's fun to touch and feel. Can you imagine how a pear feels in your hand? It's so smooth and cool. Let's cut open a pear and see what's inside. Wow! Look at that! Pears have soft, white flesh on the inside, and they usually have small brown seeds in the middle. You can eat the flesh, but be careful with the seeds. We don't eat those. Pears are sweet and delicious, just like candy, but they are a healthy treat. They're filled with vitamins and fiber that are good for our bodies. Eating pears is a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying healthy. Here are some fun facts about pears. Pears belong to the rose family, and they are related to apples and quinces. They're also one of the oldest fruits known to humans. Well, that's all about pears, my friends. They are not only delicious but also good for us. So, the next time you see a pear, remember all the cool things we've learned today. Thank you for joining us in learning about pears. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables.